Hi, this is the organizing property management category. And in this category, we have 4 different products. And we have the setting expectations owner manual, setting expectations tenant manual, and setting expectations vendor manual, along with creating a roadmap to organizing property management. So if you're at the place where you are bringing a lot of clients on board, you're going to want to set expectations with them for how you do business. The same is true for your tenants, and especially with your vendors. They are an extension of your business, but you want to make sure that they are representing you correctly and that they're not talking to the tenants and creating more hassles than you probably need. And the roadmap for organizing property management is a guidebook to help you figure out what organizational structure to put in place, how to organize your company so that you can maximize your growth and your profits. So if that's where the stage you're at in your company, then this is the category for you.